and physics. And let's look at this JAMB question 1984. It says a body of mass 5 kg initially at rest is acted upon by two mutually perpendicular forces, 12 Newton and 5 Newton, as shown in the figure below. If the particle moves in the direction of cure A, then calculate the magnitude of the acceleration. Now this topic is from vector. One of the things that will help you to answer questions correctly in exam is for you to know where the particular question from which topic, the particular question you are trying to answer is coming from. Now this question is from vector, scalar and vector quantities. Now we have many ways of adding vectors. We have when there are two forces parallel to each other facing the opposite direction are applied on a particular body, or when they are facing in the same direction, or when the forces or vectors are acting in an acute or obtuse angles, or when the two vectors are perpendicular. So this case now is when the two vectors are perpendicular. And when they are perpendicular, now for you to analyze this question, you need to calculate the resultant force now. So when they are acting perpendicular like this shown in the diagram, you complete it with a dotted line, and this is your resultant force from parallelogram law of forces that says that the resultant force is the diagonal drawn from the point of intersection of the two forces of vectors. So you have 12 Newton here, 12 Newton here, 5 Newton here. Now opposite sides are equal. Here is 12 and here is 12. Here is 5 and here is 5 Newton. And here is a what? Angle. So you are looking for the resultant force. And the resultant force will be seen using Pythagoras theorem. So R is equals to A square plus B square. Pythagoras theorem. So R square is equals to A square is 12 square plus 5 square. R square is equals to 144 plus 25. And R square is equals to what? 169. When you add two of them together, you have 169. R is equals to square root of 169. And R is equals to what? 13. 13. Are you there? 13 Newton. Now, the question didn't ask you to calculate the resultant force. It asked you to calculate the magnitude of the what? Acceleration. So you are using the formula that says that F is equals to mass times what? Acceleration. Again, that the mass of the object is what? 5 kg. We are getting the force as what? 13. So you have that your force is 13, your mass is 5 times A. So divide both sides by 5, and A is equals to 13 divided by 5. We have 2.6 meter per second squared, and that is the magnitude of the acceleration. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow for more physics questions and their answers. Thank you very much.